really from here. So, thank you so much for choosing Hinaguan Nature Park as your venue for this evening. Before I will proceed to my songs, I would like to call in Mamang Brenda. Kakanta daw siya. Kaya kasi gusto makakita ni Mang Brenda magkanta.
Brand, kata daw.
Mang kanta daw. Gede. Papanahuman.
Next week na daw siya. Next week.
Sige.
Another time na kanta. Aray, naku. Aray, naku. Hoy!
Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan, tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Ang dati mong pag-ibig wala akong pakialam, basta't mahal kita kailanman. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man, mga paliwanag mo ay di na kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Everybody sing. Mahal mahal, iniisip nila hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging. Di man na ikaw ay ibigin ko, ako ay isang bulag na umiibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Everybody! Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Isip nila ay hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. And I just want to look in your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream and I was new. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all to be here and forevermore. All those years I've loved to hold you in my arms. Wishing you would be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream and I was through. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here and forevermore. Some and again, there are but strangers that we cannot end. And sure as time keeps going on and on, my love for you will be forever I just can't believe it, you are mine now. You were just a dream and I was new. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be you and you were all I need to be here and forevermore. Hasn't this is forever. Our love will stay together. You were born. I need to be given forever more. Happy birthday to Ivan Balde. Happy birthday. Alright, so we'd like to call in. Mamaya. Yan yun. Ba talaga? Mamaya. Parang totoo daw. Isa kantahan sa ako na.
Oo nga eh, saan ka magaling? Saan ka galing?
No, di isa lang yung ending. Ganda. Ngayon na. Kata mo na. Sige. There's a calm surrender to the rush of air when the heat of the roaring wind can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. Can you feel the love tonight? How it's made to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone, if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and a reason to the wild outdoors. When the heart of its star-crossed Voyager beats in time with yours. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. Shout out to Melmar. Can you feel the love tonight? How it's great to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
Kali and Brenda.
Alright, so
Kali and Brenda muna.
we do have a special number, Kali and Brenda. Oh, sorry. Kali daw ang pangalan. Bangon ang apelido. Sumagid.
Kali.
Okay, Kali Roa.
Tanong mo lang taga sabi, baka iba-iba. Tapos sunod si birthday boy.
Ah, yung Ivan?
Ah. Shoutout kay Chiri Pao. Hi.
Magandang gabi sa inyo. Good evening. Magandang gabi.
Thank you, Ma'am Merce Vlog, for the star.
Pag-ibig mo magbabago, ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalaki ay lumalayo? Puso'y laging masasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. sabihin lalo sa iyo ang na ako'y sa'yo at ikaw aking lahat.
Kali. Thank you so much, Sir Kali. Alright, so... Okay, napa na Ivan? Oh, sige. So let's call in Ivan, the birthday boy. Mukanta siya o kwan. May balik ako.
Ibalik ako.
Check, 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 check.
Bisaya, bagay balik ako.
Oh.
Hashtags broken hearted. Hello, music. Hello. Hey. Abi ko social kang bayana. Social kang lantawon, galurat lang mata. Sige og text sa cellphone nga loba. Sige lang pasikat. Kanang imong namurang naong sa bakulaw. Ako'y naulaw sa imo nagalantaw. Sosyal ka ano kang bayhana. Pura pagkagwapa.
Bago na spelling ng social.
Shine o buhok, pero puno o kasma. Piling kang bayhana, mura bang na'y kabugan. Susunod lang tawag, naong ka o kwartahan. Sige pakyut sa ngipong way tuturas. Sige lag pasikat. Nang naong murang naong sa bakulaw. Ako ray naulaw sa imo nagalantaw. Sosyal ka ayo kang bayhana. Para pagkagwapa. Yeah. Shine on for hope, pero puno kasma.
Well, thank you so much. Happy birthday, Ivan Balde. Shishalka. Right, so let's give a shout out to Canillo family. It's Clyde, Richard, Nico, John Michael, o isa ni? Meljun. Request na yun si Clyde mag-jam daw. Sige. Ano sir? Oh, lain bukan English eh.
Hello everyone, good night, good evening, brother. I would like to say thank you for the Hinaguan Farm or village for such a great warm welcome for us, for the Canillo family, Thanksgiving and reunion family. So enjoy lang ta guys and chill out. And just when I thought I had set me free, the stars of you keep tempting me, holding you, a feeling I never outgrow. Though each and every part of me has tried, only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through.
Sir Clyde. Daghang salamat. Shout out to Sir Kerwin. Naamlay diha diha. Alright, so another jammer. Wala pa, wala. Of course, dili ni mahuman nga evening no without hearing Ma'am CG to sing for us this evening. Sige. In your eyes.
Ate Jay, ito na ha.
Ito na kay Ate JJ. And sa lahat po ng mga nandito, thank you so much for staying. Ayan. Kaya sa mga gusto pa makijam, ayan, lapit lang po kayo dito sa harap. Yan. Lapit po kayo dito, ha?
Napag ka.
Ate JJ.
Think I finally know you. I see beyond your smile. Think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love just like a thread keeps unraveling within, ties us back together in the end.
In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. You and I were drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. You warned me that life changes, and no one really knows. Better time would make us strangers, or better time would make us grow. Even though the wind of time will change, no world where nothing stays the same. Through it all, our love will still remain. In your eyes,
I can see your dreams reflect.
in your eyes, from the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why our love's alive. You and I were drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more.
I can see the reasons why I'm so in love.
You and I were drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more. Thank you. Thank you, Ate JJ, for the blessings. Ayan.
JJ.
Oy, may pahabol pa raw ni Jammer.
Halika na. Ay, di ba ha? Thank you. Ayan. And happy birthday nga pala ulit kay Britney. I love you, sis. Halika na raw, may isa pa daw si Ivan. Halika na, Ivan. Come here. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating birthday boy. Ayan. Dapat buuin mo na next time yun ha, yung song mo.
Balik na puntaan nila. Samanta. Tumbukan nga, uy. Dugay na tani kalihukan, uy. Hindi. Kaya ni kaya.
My lady, come to me and take mine. And when my lady, turn along tonight, and in love with you. What I want is you, I want you. Soft place, baby, my lady. Maybe you could lost the pain. Maybe just tell me. You don't want to love to whisper, and I want to hear something on your mind. It is hidden in your smile. Be my lady, just to get it by the time so many a broken heart. Do always give us now to the tears in your eyes. Nothing give us now. I give you all I have. Hey, my lady, maybe you could also me. Said you want too long to whisper, you want to hear something on your mind. It is hidden. I'm my lady. With you, I'm so never behind. You always leave us now to the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I give you all I have. Be my lady. When you shine into your heart, you know you smile. Still seen us today to the reason why. Just like a goodbye, while I'll be lost until forever. Just like a work of art, my love be lost us forever.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ivan. Thank you so much. So now I'm asked to be giving you 5 songs. 5 songs na lang. By the way, thank you so much everyone for coming here in Hinaguan Nature Park. I hope to see you guys again on the next Saturdays to come. I hope magpirmi ng uban din yun. so this time I'll be giving you some of my original songs. Nawa pagid siya na nga, kuan. Ano gawa sa maning uban, ano bro? Basta-basta lang. I'll be giving you an original Visayan song. Tungo na ka pangarap kita, napaunong ko sa imong pagiyong. Sukat niya to crush na kayo di ka, maghandong ko ni mo magabi. Pero murag imposible man nga ikaw akong makadayon langit ka. Huwag yuda lang sa dam ko na lang na makupan ang kapait good maikalimod bisan di ko motibo. Tigad ko katago sa kadaghan sa dalaga, dito pagyud sa naitagiya dam ko na lang kamakuha. Kung mabalik ko lang ang panahon, kung posible pa ang time machine karon, pag-amaliway ng kagahapon, kung sa una pa unta ka nakila, pero murag imposible man nga ikaw akong makadayon langit ka. Huwag yuta lang ko sa damgo na lang makupan ang kapait ning gugma, di gud maikalimot bisan di ko motibo. Di gud ko katago sa kadaghan sa dito pagod sa naitagiya sa dam ko na tamag-ubang. Dito walay magbuot na ako, wapod ko'y masakit ang ubang tao, pero wala na'y langit nga palang gawon. na lang ta mag-uban. Sagan ko na lang ta mag-uban. Shout out to Rimar and of course Ayan.
Mami Kay.
Kagawad K. Ayong gabi. Shout out Canilio and Kanoy. Mr. and Mrs. Isa pa. Isa ni John, Mr. and Mrs. John Miles and isa ni Christine. May gabi. Nay mo kanta pa niya? Sige, magdawat ko isa ha. Ayaw din ko magtiwas na rin. Nasa layo.
Arizona sun, burning in your eyes. Found you there. Spirit and soul, California. late, I'll always remember us this way. Yeah.
When you look at me,
And a whole place, I'll always remember us this way. Thank you.
alright, thank you so much to Tintin. Alright, so one song na lang.
Elsewhere, a Christmas song. That song is a Christmas song.
Isa naman. Sige, drone lang ako ito. Christmas song. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa iyo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Tanging hangat ko lang ay magkapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa iyo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Tanging hangat ko lang ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko. I guess that's it, mga viewers at Tanan. Thank you so much. See you guys again on Saturday. May gabi. Ikanta na kayo mo request kanina.